Welcome back to Mistake Masters. Look what CJ just did. Uh-oh. So the story goes, he was cutting it, and somehow the cord was wrapped around it. The saw. Not exactly sure. Tell him what happened.
So I was cutting the wood, and I didn't realize the cord was in front of the saw, and I cut the cord.
How exactly was it in front of the saw?
Just like that.
Like this?
Yeah.
Mm.
And I guess I didn't see it.
Okay, well, the right way to fix this is to cut it right here, open this up, and then reconnect it. Your cord's just going to be a foot shorter than it is. Now, since we have to use this all right now, we're just going to splice it. Pause the video. Pause. We're getting yelled at. Pause the video. Pause the video. Drag Lady's here. Okay. Got our wire stripped back. Why am I doing this? I'm gonna do one. And you're gonna do the other one. Okay. Where's that heat shrink at? Fairly certain I didn't put it on the wire. Forgot to put the big one over to sleeve it. To sleeve the whole thing. Mistake Masters. Okay, now you gotta do what I just did.
How did you roll these around each other?
Okay, put it like an X. And I just twisted it. Twisted that side, then twisted this side. X. You're holding it on this side. And then you're twisting it around itself, okay? Making sure that it doesn't go over the insulation. And you're holding it on this side, and now you're twisting it over itself. Right? Just like that. Almost. See how it's way out here? It needs to be like that. You're almost there.
Is that better?
Yes, that's better. Okay, now you gotta solder the wire. Make sure your heat shrinks away.
Do I have to put this on the torch first?
You gotta heat the wire. It helps if you do. It's called tinning. Hold on, it's dirty. Just wipe it off. Okay, now heat your wire. You gotta hold it. Like, you need more surface area.
How do I know when it's heated?
The solder will start melting on it. So you gotta feed the solder in. I always pull this out so you have enough to work with and set this down somewhere. And then just feed it. Distorting the wire quite a bit by pulling on it, like a lot. Come over here and look and see what you did. completely separated. Okay, that's good.
Now you just put the heat shrink on. And
Yeah, but don't put the heat shrink on until it cools off.
yeah,
Otherwise, it's gonna.
shrink before it gets on wet.
Where's tape? You always stretch it. Now we gotta tape where I cut it. Recycle, reuse, right? Reduce, reuse, recycle? Isn't that what they teach you in school? Yeah, so on this episode of Mistake Masters, what did you learn, CJ?
I learned how to solder up a wire and make sure your wire is in front of your blade to cut stuff.
Yes. Alright, with that being said, see you guys in the comments.